This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Hey, robot, grab the red cylinder. Copy that. Wait. What? Look, I know what you're thinking. That's gotta be fake, or that costs thousands of dollars, right? Wrong. This is LanderPi, and you can actually build this at home. Not someday, not in the future, right now. And I'm about to show you why this is absolutely insane. Forget everything you think you know about home robotics. This isn't some toy that follows a pre-programmed path. This is a real AI robot that understands what you say and actually does it. It's built on a Raspberry Pi 5. Yeah, that little computer you can order online for like $80, and it comes as a complete kit. You assemble it, load the software, and suddenly you've got a robot with the same AI technology that powers ChatGPT. Except this one moves. No engineering degree, no coding from scratch. Just follow the instructions, and you're living in the future. Okay, imagine this. You say, go to the zoo and tell me what animals you see. Then check out the space station. Then find the soccer ball and tell me what color it is. Then come home. This isn't science fiction. It's using AI to understand your command, computer vision to see, and autonomous navigation to move around, all working together. This is the kind of tech that was in research labs 5 years ago, and now you can have it on your desk. And here's the best part. You get to choose how you build it. Want a robot that can slide sideways and move in any direction? Build it with Mecanum wheels. You'll look like a wizard when it glides around your room. Want to build a self-driving car? Use the Ackermann steering chassis. It drives just like a real vehicle. Want something that can climb over stuff? Tank treads. Done. One robot platform. 3 different builds. You decide what you want to create. Control it with your phone, a game controller, or just your voice. Now let's talk about what makes this possible. This thing has a 3D depth camera, the same technology in your iPhone, so it doesn't just see flat images, it sees depth. Watch this. The robot drives across a table, gets to the edge, and stops. It knows there's a drop-off. That's artificial intelligence preventing it from falling. It can build 3D maps of your house, follow you around, avoid obstacles, navigate on its own. This is the same tech that self-driving cars use, and you can experiment with it in your living room. But wait, there's more. That robotic arm? You can literally say, grab the red block, and it finds it, picks it up, and puts it wherever you want. Point at something, it'll grab it. Move your hand around, the arm tracks and follows. This is inverse kinematics, the same math that $100,000 industrial robots use, and you can play with it at home. It does face recognition, gesture control. It can even recognize traffic signs if you build a little city for it. The possibilities are endless. Look, 5 years ago, this technology didn't exist outside of university labs and tech companies with massive budgets. Today, it's in a kit you can order online and build in your bedroom. This is LanderPi, a Raspberry Pi powered, AI-driven robot that understands natural language, navigates autonomously, sees in 3D, and manipulates objects with precision. And it's not some distant future promise, it's available right now. Whether you're a student who wants to dive into robotics, a maker who loves building cutting-edge tech, or just someone who's always wanted their own AI assistant that actually moves and does things, this is your moment. The barrier between watching cool tech videos and actually building cool tech just disappeared. So here's my challenge to you. What would you build? A home assistant that brings you snacks? A security robot that patrols your house? A helper that organizes your workshop? The platform is ready. The question is, what will you create with it? If you're fascinated by AI, robotics, and tech, you can actually build yourself. You need to subscribe to AIX. We're breaking down the barrier between future tech and today's reality, showing you what's possible and how you can be part of it. Hit that subscribe button because trust me, this is just the beginning. The robots are here, and this time, you get to build them. Welcome to the future. Let's build it together.